If you've been on TikTok or YouTube lately, you've probably seen people claiming they're getting free stuff from Temu. Headphones, gadgets, accessories, even kitchen tools. Some people say it works instantly, others say it's fake. So instead of guessing, I decided to test the viral Temu Free Stuff method myself and see what actually happens. Before we get into the results, I've placed the current working Temu free gift code right here on screen. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with a few backup codes that are still active. Now let's talk about the method people keep sharing online. The viral method everyone is talking about. Most of the videos online say something like this: open Temu, enter a free gift code, complete a few steps, and you unlock a free item. Sounds simple, but a lot of those videos skip important details. So I decided to try the method step by step. What I did, first, I started by activating the promotion using the link tied to the free gift program. This step is important because Temu needs to recognize that you're entering through a promotional event. After that, I opened the Temu app and logged into my account. Right away, I noticed something different. Instead of the normal homepage, there was a promotional section related to the free gift event. That confirmed the promotion was active. Entering the free gift code. Next, I entered the free gift code you see on screen. Once the code was applied, the event interface became available. From there, Temu guided me through a few simple actions like browsing certain sections and interacting with the promotion. These steps are part of the event system Temu uses, the actual result. After completing the required steps, the reward option appeared, and yes, the item was real, but it wasn't something crazy expensive. It was one of the items from the promotional list available in the event. Still free, but within the limits of the promotion. So the viral method does work, but it's not exactly how some videos make it look. What I learned from testing it here are a few things I noticed during the test. The entry method matters. The promotion needs to be activated first. The code connects your account to the event. Rewards depend on the current promotion cycle. If you skip the activation step, the free gift event may never appear. Final thoughts. So after testing the viral Temu Free Stuff method myself, here's the honest answer. Yes, the system exists. Yes, it can unlock free items, but it only works when the promotion is triggered properly. If you want to try it yourself, use the free gift code on screen, follow the correct steps, and see what item appears for you. And if it worked, comment what you ended up getting. I'm always curious to see the results.